Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly that a meeting has been scheduled in New Delhi between the Chief Ministers of Meghalaya and Assam with Union Home Minister Amit Shah to discuss the agreement reached between the two states on the boundary dispute. Making a statement in the House on the several decade-old interstate boundary disputes, Sangma said the meeting would be held on Wednesday, March 9, in which the Memorandum of Understanding signed between the two states would be discussed.
Based on the reports of the regional committees on the 29th of January 2022, a MOU was signed between the states of Assam and Meghalaya to record the agreed position arrived at between the two states and to conclude the process of joint consultations. The purpose of this MOU is to come to a conclusion to the interstate boundary between the states of Assam and Meghalaya in respect of the 6 areas of differences, out of the total of 12 areas of differences as furnished by the state of Meghalaya, wide letter number POL.78/2010/209, dated 8th August 2011, for delineation and demarcation with the fixation of boundary pillars on ground. The copy of the MOU has been submitted to the Union Home Ministry on the 31st of January 2022 for examination and consideration of the Ministry of Home Affairs. The above said matter has also been intimated to the Prime Minister on the 31st of January 2022 for his intervention to ensure that the matter be given due consideration and priority by the Government of India to resolve the areas of differences. Whatever solution that we have come out with, this has not been something that has been easy for us to do. We have met officially, unofficially in many situations and occasions and tried to come up with the best solution that is possible. And what I have mentioned today here may not be a perfect solution that we would want, but we strongly have felt that this is the best solution that we can bring forward today and present towards the House. As I said, it has not been an easy exercise. It has been very tough. I will be moving to Delhi on the 9th of this month, where the Honorable Home Minister of India, Government of India, has called both the Chief Minister of Assam and Chief Minister of Meghalaya to finally discuss on the MOU that was signed. And I am very hopeful, sir. I'm very hopeful that we will be able to announce some positive statement on that particular day based on the MOU that has been signed between the two states, the details of which I have shared with this House today. So with these few words and with this particular clarification on the interstate boundary issue that we are having, sir, as I said, I'm happy to inform you that we should be able to come to a conclusion.